Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to create a realistic soft pillow modeled quickly using Maya's nCloth simulation. Let's dive right in. First, create a polygon cube from your shelf. Now, in the attribute editor or the channel box, set the width to 10, height to 0.2, depth to 10, subdivision width to 40, subdivision height to 2, and the subdivision depth to 30. Next, change your workspace to the FX panel. With the cube selected, go to the nCloth menu and click Create nCloth. This automatically creates a nucleus node. Select the nucleus node in the outliner or attribute editor. Set the gravity value to 0. We want the pillow to inflate, not fall. Now select the nCloth shape 1. Scroll down to the pressure drop-down menu. Set the pressure value to 3 and pressure damping to a very small number, like 0.0056. Go to your timeline bar and hit play. You'll see the mesh slowly inflate into a pillow shape. Let the simulation run until the pillow reaches a shape you like. Once it looks good, stop the playback. With the pillow selected, go to Edit, Delete by Type, History. This locks in the simulated shape. Go to Edge Selection Mode and select the middle subdivision height edge loop of the pillow. Use the Bevel tool to bevel this edge loop. Switch to Face Selection Mode and select the new face loop created by the bevel. Use the Extrude tool on this face loop to create a clean, sharp crease or seam detail. And there you have it, a realistic 3D pillow model ready for your scene. Thanks for watching and happy modeling!